Good day. My name is P.Peter Pascali. I'm the President and CEO of PyroGenesis Inc., and I'm here today to give you some additional detail to our press release we came out with respect to our recent contract we signed with Norsk Hydro. Who is Norsk Hydro? Norsk Hydro is not only one of the largest aluminum companies in the world, but is one to whom the industry looks for direction. Norsk Hydro has roots that go back more than 120 years, starting in Norway in 1905. It employs over 33,000 people, is located in 40 different countries at more than 140 locations. It operates some of the world's largest alumina refineries and aluminum production facilities. They are truly a global leader in aluminum, hydropower, metal recycling, battery recycling, and renewable energy. Noteworthy, they are also at the forefront of the industrial energy transition movement. Of note, Norsk Hydro announced that their corporate objective for 2050 was to reduce their emissions to zero. As part of that initiative, they identified their aluminum cast houses as a place where they wanted to use plasma to reduce their dependency on fuel. This announcement was a major event for the industry, and after a significant competitive process, PyroGenesis was awarded the contract to develop this with Norsk Hydro, and we couldn't be happier. In this multi-million-dollar contract, PyroGenesis will engineer, design, and manufacture a 2-megawatt torch, which will be introduced into aluminum melting furnace at Norsk Hydro's facilities. This project will be one of the first in the world to use plasma to melt aluminum on an industrial scale, and the results of this project will provide a more complete understanding of the benefits gained by switching to plasma and will determine the next steps, both for Norsk Hydro and potentially the aluminum industry as a whole. So let's take a step back and ask ourselves, why is this so important? Well, one has to appreciate that the estimated demand for aluminum is going to increase by 40% by 2030 and 80% by 2050. On top of this, aluminum production is already a highly energy-intensive production process. And there is a pressure for facilities to start producing aluminum from scrap metal and recycled metal. Both of these require 95% less energy than the traditional method. There's also a move to use alternate fuels at these facilities, and obviously a demand to reduce the carbon footprint. This contract hits all of these pain points. The expansion of electricity-based technologies across the factory application spectrum is one of the key ways to achieve these goals. And PyroGenesis plasma torch burners in aluminum melting and heating furnaces is well suited for just such a task. We consider this contract to be a huge business opportunity for us, not only with Norsk Hydro, but within the industry itself. We'll get back to you with more news over the course of the coming months. Thank you very much.